Are you still using gas-powered trucks, or are you looking to get a new EV truck? If so, the Tesla Cybertruck might be able to convince you to switch. It may have a futuristic design reminiscent of a sci-fi movie, but the Cybertruck is also a profitable product that the EV market has been waiting for. Let's see if the Cybertruck will alter the course of events. Tesla CEO Elon Musk's favorite vehicle in the Tesla lineup is the Tesla Model S. In a 2019 reveal, Musk unveiled the Cybertruck, which was developed with seemingly indestructible armored glass windows. The company has pushed back production timing 3 times since late 2021, from late 2021 to late 2022, then to early 2023, and most likely to the mid-2023 mark for initial production. The launch of the Cybertruck will give Tesla an EV entry in one of the most lucrative segments of the US market, and a rival to electric pickups from Ford Motor Company and Rivian Automotive, which have established models in still limited quantities. In January, Musk mentioned issues with the sourcing of components. Orders are being taken for the Cybertruck at Tesla's East. 3 years after the start of production, outside of North America, Musk revealed that the company had more orders for its previous Cybertrucks than it could fill. Automakers typically ramp up production gradually for an entirely new vehicle like the Cybertruck. Critics have also warned that Tesla's sales, which have so far been unaffected by a weakening global economy because it has been able to sell every vehicle it produces, will start to suffer. Musk predicted that the upcoming recession would last until spring 2024. The Italian company building the Gigapress will be used to cast die-cast components for the Cybertruck, as stated in a post stating that a 9,000-ton machine for truck part production was loaded and prepared to be delivered. However, the post omitted Tesla. Tesla has been using the Gigapress to simplify and reduce the cost of its Model E's production. Tesla shares are rising, and when the electric car manufacturer unveiled its options for Cybertrucks, despite ending the session in the red, traders are betting that the rally will accelerate even further. Tesla has increased by 74% in the last 6 months, breaking into the black for the year and approaching highs not seen since last December. Market expects Tesla shares to move by about 3.7% between now and the close. Optimize advises the stock has experienced a wider range recently, according to President Michael Cowell, who noted that more than 10,000 of those traded for an average price of about $5. It is clear that those who purchase those calls are making a bet that the stock will rise above that $360 strike price by at least the $5 they paid per cow. Options aren't just available for the enticing mystery of a new product. There is a justification for the hypervaluation of this particular new car among the alternatives, which has traders salivating. When they consider what might happen to Elon Musk's automaker, traders and supporters light-duty truck sales seem to be the one area that could be clearly the most profitable sector in the US automotive industry, and I'm Sierra Deagle. Investors will likely have to wait until Musk can reveal his plan to increase sales for the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla Bull, and investor Gary Black believes that Tesla will make Cybertruck deliveries in late 2023 and estimates 10,000 truck deliveries. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has made several promises recently, including producing the long-awaited Cybertruck and finding a replacement for Twitter's top executive. After years of waiting, production of the Cybertruck will begin in June at the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas. The chief vehicle designer Franz von Holzhausen has just revealed some features of the Cybertruck and promises big surprises. Musk has stated that the trucks could be sold to consumers during the middle or end of 2023. In response to a question on the Ride the Lightning podcast with Ryan McCaffrey, Van Holzhausen assures fans of the Cybertruck that the design is finished. At a promotional event in Los Angeles in November 2019, Musk unveiled the electric pickup prototype. On November 24, 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck promises an electric range of up to 500 miles, a maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, and a starting price of less than $40,000. Since Musk's $44 billion acquisition of Twitter, he has been concentrating on boosting revenue for the social media company and claimed that Tesla had already received at least 187,000 orders for the Cybertruck 5 days after it was unveiled. Investors in Tesla want the billionaire to concentrate on boosting sales for the EV business. Musk announced in 2022 that he would leave his position as Twitter CEO once he found a replacement. Black's future fund active ETF fund as of January 17th includes 9.2% of Tesla. He claimed that the EV manufacturer had a terrible fourth quarter due to Twitter noise and the impact of low production output from its factory in China. He would like to know, and he will announce a CEO for Twitter block status. Future Fund ETF launched in August 2021. Black purchased additional shares of Tesla last week at a price of $105 per share, though he withheld the precise number of shares after going private in October and seeing a decline in Tesla's popularity. Musk decided to concentrate solely on Twitter and stopped tweeting his conservative positions, according to Black. According to Reuters, Elon is a smart guy who learned to stop tweeting more conservative views. You don't want your brand to be impacted by your use of more right-leaning views, especially if your consumer franchise is heavily indexed to Democrats who support climate change because it irritates them. Tom Zhu, the chief executive of Tesla's China division, was given the opportunity to lead the electric vehicle manufacturer's operations in North America and Europe. It will be interesting to see how he manages the US business because Zhu is highly regarded and has built a successful business in China, said Black. Tesla failed to deliver in 2022. Target and Musk significantly reduced the cost of their two flagship models. 95% of its 2022 deliveries will be the Model I SUV and the entry-level Model 3 sedan. Price reductions range from 6 to 20%, and two models are eligible for the new $7,500 federal tax credit. The cost. Black stated that cuts were required even though they would have a short-term negative impact on profit margins. He added that it was difficult to determine whether the cuts were excessive, but that they were necessary to increase volume. Black said Zhu's position as Tesla's second highest profile executive is a positive for the company and that his track record speaks for itself, assuming he can accomplish the same in the US. Musk should concentrate on Tesla since its stock value dropped by 65% last year. And in 2022, Tesla produced $9 billion of free cash flow data that shows Tesla's brand was not harmed by the impact of the Twitter deal, which could enhance the company's ability to compete in the US and China. He also added that Tesla's Megapacks, or battery storage units, could make an additional $2 billion annually if 5,000 units were sold at 50 cents per share. The Megapacks Lathrop, California manufacturing facilities went online during the third quarter with the intention of selling them to utilities. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, did not provide many details about the new models, including his previously stated goal of a car costing $25,000 during the company's master plan, leaving investors disappointed. Tesla stock fell as much as 8% as a result. Part 3 Exposition. As a result of investors' muted response to Musk's statements, the company's market cap decreased by about $50 billion. The company's market cap has increased by about 10 times, and its annual unit volume has increased by more than 5 times since then. Additionally, at that time, Tesla had just started to report positive GAAP profits and was still ramping up at its Shanghai facility, which fundamentally altered the manufacturing economics of the company. With this in mind, Morgan Stanley critic Adam Jonas believes that expectations may be too high, but he also believes that, financially, the Cybertruck may be more of a sideshow to the Tesla story right now given the absence of any exterior Tesla logos. What will happen to Tesla with the launch of the Cybertruck while the company rises more success? Or is the hype just going to be a call for a disaster? Jonas cries the Cybertruck as the greatest avant-garde vehicle that also serves as a crucial component of Tesla's futuristic brand image. Leave a comment below if you're interested in buying Tesla stock, or if you plan to wait and see how things develop following the Cybertruck. Until then, see you next time. Take care.